Yeah, we are in Korean traditional village here, isn't that? Okay,
Hello,
thank you.
everyone. I'm Paul Han. Nice to meet you. Please subscribe and like it. And what is that? The notification, please. Yeah. I am the main character of his
He's,
YouTube.
He's
Yeah.
the main protocol for me. When I have been attending to the World Peace Summit organized by the HWPL.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, by the way, my hair is not good right now.
It's okay. It's okay.
What is the name of this street?
인사동.
Insadong.
Yes.
Yeah, Insadong. This street is very famous.
Yes.
In Seoul. It's only for walking.
And because every that name
Oh,
only Korean,
Korean. Okay, no.
not use English,
Oh.
just
But
use
there is